Hey everyone, if you've ever spent hours building or tweaking your website on Wix, you know just how important it is to save your progress so you don't lose any of that hard work. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to save your site in the Wix editor so you can be absolutely confident that every change you make, big or small, is staying safe. By the end of this video, you'll understand the different ways Wix saves your work, and you'll have the peace of mind to create freely knowing nothing gets lost. Let's dive right in. First, when you're in the Wix editor, maybe you're adjusting layouts, adding images, or typing new text, the most direct way to save your progress is by heading over to the menu icon. You'll find this little icon sitting at the very top left corner of your screen, kind of like the control center for your site. Click on it and a drop-down menu appears. Right near the top, you'll see the word Site. Go ahead and click on Site. Here you'll notice the Save option. Just click that and boom, your current work is locked in. If you like keyboard shortcuts, you can also just press Ctrl+S, and that'll do the trick instantly. It's fast, it's handy, and you don't even have to take your eyes off your flow. Now I know what you might be thinking. What if you forget to save after spending a chunk of time making changes? Don't worry, Wix actually has your back here with a built-in autosave feature. If you look again at that top left corner, you'll spot a label that reads Autosave on. This means Wix is quietly watching your every move, well, every edit anyway, and storing them behind the scenes. Each time you tweak something in your editor, Wix catches it and saves it for you automatically. It's like having a diligent assistant making sure nothing slips through the cracks. So if you get caught up in your creative process and forget to hit save, rest assured your changes are still safe. Let's see this in action together. Try adding a little bit of text on your page, just type something out, then press enter. Now hover your mouse over that new text you just added, and right there, a small message should pop up saying something like, "Last saved, just now." This lets you know instantly that Wix has taken care of your latest update. It's a reassuring way to check that everything's been recorded without having to stop what you're doing or break your momentum. And honestly, that's really all there is to it. Saving in Wix is smooth, straightforward, and thanks to autosave, almost impossible to mess up. Whether you're the kind of person who loves to click save every few minutes just in case, or you forget until the very end, Wix makes sure your edits stay right where you left them. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a like to let me know. And if you've got any questions about using Wix or run into something unexpected with saving your site, drop a comment below. I read everyone and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical website tutorials just like this. Happy building, and I'll see you in the next video.